Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can copy a Twitter or X profile link. So first, if you want to copy your profile link, select more from the left-hand side of the screen if you're using your web browser. And if you're using your mobile device, you can go ahead and select your profile picture icon and go to your profile directly. If you're using your website, select profile from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between premium and more. And if you're using your mobile device, select your profile picture icon to go to your profile. Then from the address bar in the top of the screen, select all of it, right click on it, and select copy. Once it has been copied in your clipboard, you can go ahead and share it with anyone that you like, whether with your friends, family, your well wishers, or anyone who you want to be in touch with on Twitter. But in the case, if you want to copy the URL of some other people, go ahead and search for their profile, go to the people section, select the three dots over here, and then select copy link to profile. And the link will be copied to your clipboard, or you can also go ahead and copy the link from the address bar in the top of the screen. And then you can share it with anyone you like. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.